In this procedure, a ganglion cyst is removed. A ganglion cyst forms over a joint or tissue. However, the exact cause is unknown. The most common location where they form is on the back of the hand at the wrist joint, such as in this video. Ganglion cysts can also form on the front of the wrist and in the finger joints. As you will see, the ganglion cyst is a thick, sticky, colorless, jelly-like material. Cysts may appear out of the blue and disappear just as swiftly as they came. However, chronic cysts that are prolonged may affect the function of surrounding tendons and the operation of other body parts. Ganglion cysts at the back of the hands may cause a weakness in the finger. In these cases, your doctor may refer you to a hand surgeon for surgical removal or aspiration of the cyst. Aspiration would entail drawing the liquid material out of the cyst using a needle, followed by the injection of corticosteroids as anti-inflammatory compound. Firstly, local anesthetics are injected to induce insensitivity in the area before operation. Then, a tourniquet is used to stop blood flow so that the doctor can see clearly during the procedure. The doctor then performs the operation by dissecting the cyst carefully. The tourniquet is then released before closing the wound to ensure that no major blood vessels were affected. The doctor wants to ensure that the area operated on will be stable after suturing. Finally, the area is closed. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something.